everyone, namaste, welcome back to one more review. Today I'm gonna try, it's like a first impression for me. This product has been in the market from quite a time, like it has been like, I think it's like been 2 or 3 months, I don't know. So yeah, but I didn't got chance to try it that time, so I just thought why not to, try now and see how it is. So I am talking about, as you can see from the title, Sugar's eyebrow pencil, and this is Sugar Arc Arrival Brow Definer, and I got the shade 01 Cherry Brown. As you can see, my hair are a little on the darker side, and also my even eyebrow hair are the darker side, so I chose the darkest shade, and this is the eyebrow pencil. I have tried eyebrow pencils in the past as well, but somehow I never liked any eyebrow pencil, maybe because of the shades, because earlier normally in India you used to get like black eyebrow pencils, which I never liked, and and whatever I bought from the States or from the sites, they always were on the lighter side. I didn't like it that much, but then I started using a brow powder, not brow powder exactly, I used eyeshadow which my sister had, and I started using like that eyeshadow, and I completely fell in love, and I started using powders. And then I got Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade, that also I really like, and I got it in the shade Ebony, and that shade suited me really well. So I thought that Sugar's Cherry Brown is very close to that shade, that's why I got this shade. And let's get on to the review. So as you can see from the packaging, it comes in a normal cardboard packaging like this, and this brow pencil retails for 499 Indian rupees, and this one is made in Korea, and it's not written how much product I'm getting. And from inside you can see it's like a jet black pencil, written Sugar on it, and its shade like Cherry Brown Arc Arrival Brow Definer. And one side you can see there is your pencil, which is very uniquely shaped. It's like in a triangular form, which is very good shape to fill in your eyebrows. And on the other side you have your spoolie brush, and so that you can just brush your eyebrows and blend your eyebrow pencil. So yeah, that's how the packaging is, and I always love Sugar's packaging. It's like jet black, and black is like one of my favorite colors, so I really it's like a matte jet black, so I really like that. Yeah, so I am just gonna give you a quick demo, and then I will share my thoughts about this brow pencil. So here I'm using the brow pencil, and I'm just filling my eyebrows just usually. So I'm starting with from the bottom, and I'm just filling my eyebrows with light strokes and filling all these sparse spaces, and then I'll move to front side, and I will keep my hand pressure very less towards the front, because I want my eyebrows to look a bit natural. So then I'm just gonna fill a little bit more, and yeah, and once I'm happy with the eyebrow outcome, I'll just brush it with a spoolie, and I'll blend the eyebrow pencil as well. And yeah, this is how I did my eyebrows, and let me tell you, it was very easy to use this pencil. I'm very happy that it is very much user friendly. I didn't had any problem, and you can already see the difference in both of my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are looking amazing. So as you have seen the demo already, so I really like the shape of the pencil, because it was so easy to use to fill in my brows, and I am very happy with the color, the shade I chose. It's just amazing. I also like it's like very smooth, and you can draw thick and thin lines according to your need, and I really love that it comes with a spoolie as well, and it's very travel friendly. I normally love using my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrow pomade, and also my eyeshadow, like a powder eyeshadow to fill my brows. But somehow I feel that they are very hard to travel with, because that pomade comes in a glass jar which is quite heavy, and eyeshadow, I have that shadow in a palette, so it's like a really you know, not very comfortable traveling with. But this thing is so much travel friendly. It gives me the same outcome as them, and you know, I just love it how it made my eyebrows look. And and it's also very travel friendly. I can just throw it into my purse and I'm good to go, and I'll still get those brows which I get with my pomade and the eyebrow eyeshadows. So I really love that. I'm very happy and very satisfied with this brow pencil, and it doesn't go anywhere, so that's really nice. And so I'm super duper happy that I finally got an eyebrow pencil which I actually love. I do have ColourPop's eyebrow pencil in my collection, which also comes with a spoolie, but I don't know whether I chose the wrong shade or what. It's like, it's way too smooth. But this consistency, the consistency of this brow pencil is like the perfect. It's not very smooth, but it's not very hard as that it's difficult to work with. It has the perfect texture and it has the perfect consistency, I would say. And so this is like the first ever, you know, eyebrow pencil which I loved like anything. Yes, even the color suited my eyebrows really well, and even the formula, the texture, so I completely love. The only thing is it retails for 500 rupees, like 499, which is a lot for an eyebrow pencil. But if you compare with other eyebrow products like Anastasia Beverly Hills or any other eyebrow product like Benefit or something, this is still very cheap. So I would definitely go with this eyebrow pencil anytime than them, because of the price. But still, as a pencil it's still expensive, but as an eyebrow product, if I compare with them, it's very good. So I love it. So yeah, that was a quick review for the Arc Arrival Brow Definer from Sugars, and I do have a surprise for you, as it's like a Sugar product review. I am giving away 3 of their Matte Hazel Lip Crayon. So I am giving away all the new 3 shades of their new Matte Hazel Lip Crayon. I'm giving away number 12 Baby Houseman, number 13 Murphy Brown, and number 14 Violet Crawley. For entering this giveaway, you just have to be my subscriber and you have to like comment down, and I will be picking up the winner randomly, and I will be announcing that soon. So yeah, that's it for the video. And I am like so you know, amazed that Sugar's product are like made they're made in like so different countries. Like their Matte Hazel lip crayons are made in Germany, their eyebrow pencil is made in Korea, and their BB cream is made in US. So yeah, I just, you know, this just like, you know, surprises me. Anyways, so I really love this eyebrow pencil, and if you're searching for a really good eyebrow pencil, I would definitely suggest you to try this out, and you know, just try it. I really love it, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.